Hi guys, my name is Nawanda Zulu and I am back with another practice with me video. Namhlanje senza a Pinterest inspired chrome set. Lana ke bese sengiyishapile itip yami bengenze stiletto, then ke ngizodipa ibrush lami kwi-monoma then to acrylic, then sengiyibeka lapha kwi-tip nail yami. Then I pat it down on the sides, then naphezulu longi pat it down. Lo khala ke ukhala engizihlanganisele wona mina, ngihlanganise ama-acrylic ahlukene, then kwase kwaphuma lo mbala, but ke bengayishaykhanga kahle yona le powder le, bekubonakala ama-beads enye acrylic like a white acrylic, but ngiphinde ngazama ukuyishayikha futhi ukuze ikhona ukuhlangana kahle. Nguthandile yona lo mbala engiwenzile, like a pinkish base color. So siyaqhubeka ke lana ngiyafaka ibrush lami kwi-monoma then to acrylic, then pat it down with a brush. So I'm gonna let you guys watch because you've seen me do like an acrylic application like countless times now, and I'm so sorry guys, ngineflonyana but ngiyafuna ukuqhubeka ngiposta amavidiyo yami.
Feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find us. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies try. If you not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But yeah, we don't stop. see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Listen. Keep your hands on me, touch me right there, rock my tonight. I'm chilling on the west side, boo. Call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Besides you, on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tag, cause they won't tell, cause they're trying to live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Put me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah, almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off, cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I'll never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side, boo. Call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Besides you, on the low.
Tell me why you're crying, I'm feeling big deal. When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me, when you call me I come, but then you go again. With your deaf, yeah, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the sun.
Here I'm mixing my black gel and top coat. Lokhu ke ngizokusebenzisa mase ngenza i-design yami. Le process le isiza ekuthenini ukuthi uma usufaka i-chrome ibambelele kahle kuzipho. Kodwa ke konke lokhu nizokubona ngikwenza.
Big tunes, now it's big tunes, I'm really right now from the side now, come on in. Fall down when you see me, you know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming. Pineapple juice, I give a sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna come the same day as Jack rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got Plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Yes, I am. They say you a superstar, now damn. I guess I am. You might be the man, well, that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead and get undressed, I am. Okay.
It's so cold outside, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want this, cause I can place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I checked. Now before.
I did 3 French nails and then this asymmetrical line. I feel like this line could have been much better, but as time goes, I hope I'll be better when doing my designs. I got a French tip. Hayi, ngizamile shem, jealous down, ngizamile. Phela French, it's one of the hardest thing to do in nails. Abantu bayathatha kancane kodwa yo i-problem inyana nje. Kodwa ke lana ngibona ngazathi ngenze kangconywana. So guys, please like, subscribe and comment. Nishare nje kubo bonke abantu nibaziyo, to your friends, family. Then ke sengibuyela kwi-design. Mangiqeda ngomisile kwi-UV light for 60 seconds. Then ngase ngafaka i-chromium e-green. Ngathintitha nge-brush mangiqeda. Ngafaka i-top coats. Then I was done with the design. Nizobona ke konke lokho. I really love this design. Ngibona ngazathi ngenze kangcono. I see improvement kimi. I hope kuzoba ngcono when time goes on.